Good morning. Welcome back to Fowler and Friends. Here we are. It's the 11th of January. We're back over here at Keowee. Going out a warpath closer to the warm water discharge. See if we can't get on something over here. So last couple weeks, let's recap. We came to Keowee 3 weeks ago. And we skunked. We picked a long finger in the back with some deep water and not a lot of bait fish, not a lot of fish in general. But that trip was mainly to start getting used to our new fish finder. We upgraded to a Garmin 93 SV. So we have side view now. Down view, side view, regular chirp. So we got out on Keowee a couple weeks ago, learned that, and didn't catch any fish. The week after, we went to Hartwell, and we went out of Twin Rivers, and we put a whole day in. It was cloudy, overcast. Marked a few fish here and there, but again, nothing. We threw a jig, we threw a crankbait, we threw jerkbait, we threw drop shot, all sorts of stuff. So we skunked again, and now we're here at Keowee warpath, closer to some warmer water, to try again. We did get a new rod combo that I'll have to do a walkthrough with you guys here sometime. We got a 6 cents MFR extra heavy rod. We got a Shimano Trinx 300, and we got the new Hangover from 6 cents as well. I went to the lake yesterday and dialed everything in. That bait runs as advertised. If you don't find the right speed, cranking speed, she's weird, but you find that sweet spot, and she runs just like Milliken's video shows you. And it's really cool bait. But we went with this heavy setup, and we're starting our swim bait, like soft swim bait stuff, and we got the right rod for it. We did have some bigger baits for hard baits. We got a couple jackalls, and we had them out on Possum Kingdom. We had a couple good strikes on them, but I didn't have the right rod for these big baits with the bigger hooks, and so I'm hoping we get to put those to use again now that we got the bigger rod this spring, and catch some decent fish then. They're excited. We'll have to do a walkthrough of the fish finder and a walkthrough of the new rod and stuff, and that Hangover and the baits, but that's kind of the game plan. We're gonna, same thing, we're gonna start out cranking. We got a Ned rig tied on, we got a drop shot tied on, we got a jig tied on, and we're just going, we got a jerk bait tied on, and we're just gonna see if we can't stumble across some today. Winter pattern is what we're in. We've been getting here in South North Carolina, whole southern East Coast here. We've been getting 1 to 2 just downpour, gully washer rainstorms every week. 2 days ago, we went through one of those events. It flooded a bunch of stuff out, flooded the little creek and the road out right there by the house. I did a little short on that one, and it's just it's unique pattern here, and where these fish like to set up in these lakes this time of year is going to be a learning process. So I'm still deciding. I may, just to document it, I may do, if I go out and get skunked, I may do an intro and an outro, maybe with a midday update in between, see what I think's going on. Maybe by posting those and you guys watching, maybe give me some feedback or some comments, maybe something I'm not doing right. But that, and give as much information as possible for people, you know, who are trying to learn this whole winter fishing thing. It's a lot different here than Texas. You know, Texas winter fishing, for the exception of a couple weeks, is like a spring fishing everywhere else. So still trying to learn all that. Still trying to get all the right gear. We got a guideware rain suit. That's gonna help keep us warm. We went and the wife got me these neoprene gloves, and we're hopefully these will help. We'll have to see, because these are Cast Kings, fingers enclosed. I can see spinning rods and stuff okay without having to take them off, but I feather my spools with my thumb so much that I don't know if I'll have enough feel with these enclosed. But we're gonna have these now, so hopefully, you know, even though I won't be able to keep them on all the time, I'll be able to slide them on, warm up my hands, keep my hands warm, and so on and so forth. So we're all geared up. I hope everybody's had a good New Year, and we got about 20 minutes till the sun starts coming over the horizon, and then full daylight's at 7:30, which is about an hour. So hopefully we'll catch up on the water. Catch you then. Nice. Fish on. Catching some nice little spots. Hey now, easy. I marked these on side scan. They're about 20 foot out in front of us, about 38 feet deep. So, just a little 12 inchers. Maybe 14. They sure are fun. Thank you, sir. So, they're sitting just off the bottom here, about 35 foot of water. Get you the new screen, the new Garmin in screen here in picture. But and then that shows us that, and then this is what we're looking at. You can see, like, I got a bunch right there. So, but cool. Let's see if we can get another one. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna back up, get back on the contour line, and reset up for these guys. So right about there, 32 forward. Now I was fighting using this graph with trying to get aligned with my waypoints, and kept getting off kilter. And what it was is, out of the box, alright, they're about 40 feet out in front of us. The map didn't stay oriented north, and that was what I was fighting with. Ever since I changed the map to stay oriented north, we've been doing all right. Throw it out on top of them, let it sink and pendulum in. Just watch our line as it's sinking, see if it starts to take off or pick up speed. And they're about 25 foot. And I just send slow 20 foot. Slow working it. Foot. And I don't know if, like, today's gonna be one of those days with these spots you get like one shot with them. Once you pluck one, that's all you're gonna get. Or what? The bait's definitely been glued to the bottom. Oh, he just had the tail. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, about 20 foot. Got blown back in off the mark. So let's try a different angle. See if we can come up. They're kind of behind us. Reposition again. How much battery we got left? Alright, we're going to change the battery quick, reposition, and we'll try this again. Alright. See, there's our bait glued to the bottom. Make this bigger. You can see it right down there. Let's put a mark on that. We're going to pause. We're going to poop. New waypoint. A little bait fish, back. See, we got some suspended too, right above that bait ball. All right. Back to our map here. you can see, I got my mark and I got my orientation, so just using that to know where to throw at. Nice. Ooh, this one feels a little bit better. Oh yeah. Jigging him up. He's a chunkier one. What a good day. Oh, there's a whole bunch of them down there. A whole bunch of them down there. Look at that. Nice little guy. These guys are so much fun. What did he spit up? Looks like that's what they've been eating. He spit up a bunch of just fishy gut stuff. What we're using today is just a little 6 cents jig head on a ooh, he tore me up pretty good on that one. On a Zoom Super Fluke Junior Pro Blue Red Pearl. We're gonna try to see if we can't get one more And then let's get our graph marked here. Pause. Mark. Boom. Edit. Symbol. Let's do big green fish. Name. School. Done. Back. Let's go to our map. Alright. So how's this gonna... There you go. Perfect. So let's get turned around. Just reposition. So I like to point the front of the boat. Oh, got a little surface activity right over there. Don't know what that is. But these guys move quite a bit, you know. They're kind of like, you know, compare them to smallmouth and walleye and stuff like that. But we're just gonna make a big loop. Turn the boat. Try to get my back to the sun for you, so the lighting's good. So, and we'll just get the boat turned. Turning. There we go. Alright, so that big school should be, give our map a second to update. So our nose is pointed right of center. So we're gonna go like this. They're out about 20 feet. We'll back off it. We'll just let that count down. We're gonna watch our line, make sure we don't see no line jumps as it's sinking. We don't see no line jumps. We counted it down, and then we're just gonna work it back. There we go. Just like that. Oh, he just had the tail. There he goes. Do you have any more with it? And we just let it flutter back down. Oh, yep. He's got it. Oh, they're all under the boat. They're nipping the tail. Do I need to shorten this thing? They're all under the boat. I pulled a bunch out. So I'm just gonna reverse back. We're gonna let some line out. We're gonna reverse back by the school. School's right down there. GoPro capture? Oh, GoPro's already going. We got a good one. This one's good. Oh, she's staying down. Going back behind me. Ooh. Turn back this way. Turn. What do we have? Oh, it's fighting good. Oh, I think we may have a striper. Come on, stay hooked up. No, I think we got a catfish. Maybe. Yep, catfish. Yeah, we hooked it in the head. I don't know how you managed to do that, buddy. Good multi-species day. Easy. Alright. Not exactly what I was planning. Everybody. There we go. Nice catfish. Alright guys, midday update. We got the new MF'er. Extra heavy out with the new hangover. Bait's cool as could be. So we're gonna throw this for a while. We're gonna go head hunting. We've got an okay amount of small respectable spotted bass, and now we're gonna go head hunting for a little bit. You know, we got 62, almost 63 degree water, so there's absolutely no reason, if a big mama ain't around, shouldn't want to bite this. We did already get it hung in a tree, so we're gonna try to avoid doing that as much as possible. This wind's not been very kind to us. Well guys, that's a wrap for today. We got to start our 3-day work stint, so we're all said and done. I did catch 2 more. I'll throw the pictures at the end of the video. I had to save enough battery to do the outro, but the hot hole paid off, at least for some bites. We didn't get anything big. We did get some quality spots and a really nice channel catfish. Water temps are in the 60s here versus all the other lakes, which are, you know, upper 40s, low 50s, so say 48 to 52. We did manage to get a little tappity tap on the hangover. Threw back in there with the Super Fluke Junior, and it was just a little guy, and I was saving battery to do the outro, so, or if we had gotten a fish on the hangover. So Then I caught all the spots today. I caught on that Super Fluke Junior. Threw a jig for a while, no bites. Yeah, threw the crankbait a while, no bites. You'd think warmer water. The only thing I didn't throw is a jerk bait. I bet a suspending jerk bait would have done well today, now that the winds picked up especially. So, but we had a great day. We had good time, a lot of fun. This may just have to be the winter spot. But we're gonna try out some other spots because we know we can come here and catch fish. Now we gotta go find some other stuff and try to catch some fish there. But I really appreciate you guys following along, hanging out, having a good time. Catch you on the next one.